one of my newer babies. I am super excited to show you guys her. I have been on a purse obsession lately. Like, I have been obsessed, you guys. It doesn't even matter the brand, sis. Like, if it's cute, I want it and I'm gonna get it. Here she is. So you guys, this is my Louis Vuitton Felicie Pochette handbag in Monogram. You guys, I love this bag, you guys. She is everything. Like, sis is everything. I love that she has gold hardware, even down to the detail to where you actually button up the handbag. It's gold and it's engraved with Louis Vuitton. And the straps, you guys, the chain on this bag is actually engraved with Louis Vuitton. Very nice quality for these straps, you guys. They're not cheaply made or anything. They're super thick. They have a nice weight to them. They're not super heavy or not heavy enough. So I actually have the chain on my bag doubled, you guys. You can wear it doubled. You can wear it as like a single strap. I'll make sure I insert some pictures or either show you guys what this bag actually looks like on the shoulder. So you can also double it 3 times if you want. So this is a really nice handbag, you guys. I love this bag for when I am going out. When I'm stepping out, I'm having a girls' night out and I want to be kind of fancy, or if I'm wearing gold or something like that. I love this handbag, you guys. And I also picked up this strap right here, you guys. This is just a gold and black chain strap that I got from Amazon for about $14, if that, you guys. And I actually have this in multiple colors. I actually have it in clear as well because I like wearing this handbag with some clear heels. So I'll try to insert some pictures so I can show you guys what it actually looks like. But this strap on this bag, you guys, like when it's connected, it looks gorgeous. So I love that this handbag is very versatile. Like, you can change the strap on it. You can make it longer. You can even take the straps completely off and just wear it like a clutch. So let me show you guys the inside of the bag. Once again, it's the red for me, sis. I'm telling you guys, the red interior is everything. Actually, this bag is more like a burgundy interior. It's not super red. It's more of a burgundy. It's a little bit darker than my Alma BB, I think. So I love this, and this material is more like a fabric. It's not like suede or anything in the inside. And I also like that it does come with a pocket. You guys can see how big this pocket is. You can fit some cards in there. You can maybe fit some cash. Whatever you want to put in that pocket. And you guys always, you know that I always keep like my little tags that come with the purse. I always keep them inside like the little pockets of my handbags. It is plenty of space in this room, in this bag, you guys. I know that it looks like it may not fit a whole lot. I have fit sanitizer, a lipstick, a lip gloss, a lip liner, keys in this bag. Like, and it wasn't overstuffed to where it wasn't buckling or anything. Like, it fit very well. So don't be intimidated by the size of this bag, you guys. It is actually a really nice size bag. So it also does come with 2 inserts, you guys, and these are the inserts. The same color as the actual bag in the inside, except this one right here is actually leather. This is a card holder slash a cash holder, I would say. So you can fit some cash in here or more cards if you want to. It's plenty of space in there. And then I also like that it does come with 8 card slots, so you can fit up to 8 cards in this card holder. And then it just has the Louis Vuitton Paris engraved on the outside of it. It feels really, really good, you guys. Very nice quality. The stitching on this is everything. And I always make sure I inspect all of my handbags, you guys, especially from Louis Vuitton, because they are luxury items and you want to make sure there is no nicks, no loose threads, nothing is wrong with your handbag or whatever item you decide to purchase. So this next item that also comes with the bag, you guys, this is more like you can put cash in here, you can put cards in here. Originally I was using this to put some glosses and maybe a lip chap in. It did make it a little bit bulky, as you guys can see. This is super thin, so it's not meant to fit a whole lot. I felt like maybe that was pushing it, so I opted out and I decided to go ahead and carry my cash in here along with gift cards. So I actually have this insert. I carry this insert in my other bags as well, my other Louis Vuitton bags. I normally just keep the insert that I just showed you guys inside of the bag, but I do carry this in other bags because I find that just having this for my cash makes my bag super organized, so I know where everything is, and it's just super handy. It has a very nice smooth zipper on it. You guys know how smooth Louis Vuitton zippers are, and it comes with this little burgundy tab that matches the inside of it. Now the actual inside of this, you guys, is like it's leather. So when I did keep the lip gloss in here, I did have a little bit of a spill, but it was super easy to clean out because of the material. Like if this was cloth, you guys, like the material of actually the interior of this bag, I would have been messed up. But I do like that this was easy to clean up any spills or anything. But from now on, I'll probably just be carrying just some cash only in here. Maybe a lip gloss, I don't really know for the future. But for right now, I've just been keeping my cash inside of this bag. This sun is just getting me all over the place. Oh my goodness, it's on my hair, it's on my face. But always do your research, you guys, when purchasing these luxury items. They are definitely a self-treat item to treat yourself as well as an investment. So make sure that you are doing your research, you guys, because I mean, I have been Louis Vuitton obsessed, especially when you're spending a lot of money on one item and one handbag. You want to make sure you're getting the most out of it. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the newest baby that I have added to my collection, the Louis Vuitton Felicie Pochette in Monogram. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what this bag actually looks like on the arm, double strap, and triple strapped.